increased the amount that we're bringing into Fund 12 a little bit because we're doing those cash purchases, and we're not going to be putting that and pairing that with bank debt. So I've extended Fund 12 just a little bit longer. I expect that we'll be open for probably another 90 days at most. Last week we brought in $1 million, and so I'm looking to close that out.
If anyone wants to be in Fund 12, they got to get to keycitycapital.com/Hugh. Get the prospectus first. You have to be an accredited investor, and you have to know exactly what you're getting, and what you're getting is diversification into the real estate market without any of the management headaches. Ty Lassiter, CEO of keycitycapital.com. Great sponsor, great friend. Thank you, Ty. Don't go anywhere, America. Stay tuned. I'm Hugh Hewitt.
Portions of the Hugh Hewitt Show are brought to you in part by Key City Capital.
If you've been injured in an accident that was not your fault, listen up. We have legal professionals standing by to answer your questions for free. Call now and find out if you have a case and how much it's potentially worth. Call 800-504-8790. I'm here with spokesman John Wolf. So, John, tell everyone listening who should call right now.
Well, Maria, first off, thank you for having me here. It's always nice to answer the listeners' questions. Now, as far as who should call in, anyone who's been injured in an accident and think you deserve compensation, give us a call right now. 800-504-8790. You'll find out if you have a case and how much it's potentially worth.
Thanks, John. You heard it, folks. Take advantage of this opportunity and call now. 800-504-8790.
Advertisement sponsored by Legal Help Center, may not be available in all states. This is the Hugh Hewitt Show.
If something's worth doing, it's worth doing right. There's a particular time of life this phrase couldn't be more appropriate. How can you know you'll live the retirement you've always imagined? After all, life can be so unpredictable. You've worked hard and saved. Watch your accounts go up and down with the market. Your advisor says, don't worry, you'll be fine. But you still don't feel confident. Eric Heckman at Heckman Financial has a checklist to help you find out if you're on the right track for retirement. Take his checklist challenge. If you can check all the boxes with confidence, you may be ready for retirement. If not, Eric can help you address any potential costly mistakes. To get Eric Heckman at Heckman Financial's complimentary checklist, call or text LIST to 800-454-1184. See if you've got it right. Take the checklist challenge today. Call or text LIST to 800-454-1184. Firm offers insurance services. Investment advisory services offered through Heckman Financial and Insurance Services, Inc. Investing involves risk, including the potential loss of principal.
With SRN News, I'm Keith Peters reporting a new AP North Center for Public Research poll shows presumptive Democratic presidential nominee Kamala Harris has her work cut out for her to defeat Republican Donald Trump in November.
So even as the Harris campaign has reason for optimism, they still face challenges with an opponent who is better known by the country and who has a very loyal base of support.
Correspondent Lindley Sanders reporting in a Salem Radio Network interview. Akash Chiguli of Americans for Prosperity breaks down the stakes of this presidential election.
This election is about ending this inflation crisis and securing the border. Those are the top two issues facing the American people. President Biden and Vice President Harris have failed miserably, and they have no plan to turn things around.
On Wall Street, the Dow by 99 points. The Nasdaq rose 451. This is SRN News.
This is Carol Platt-Liebau for townhall.com. There are few things that unite Democrats and Republicans on Capitol Hill these days, but they do agree on one thing. Secret Service Director Kimberly Cheadle had to go. Florida Congressman Mike Waltz called the testimony from Cheadle the worst testimony he's seen in his time in Congress. Cheadle's smug arrogance was a complete affront to the Americans our government officials are supposed to be serving. Even before Cheadle's appearance before the House Oversight Committee, it was clear she wasn't up to the job. After a colossal failure like we saw in the assassination attempt on Trump, our leaders in a different era would have willingly and contritely resigned. Failure used to be recognized as
I'm leaving. Fuck yeah.
pressure on Cheadle
Fuck
to
the
resign came from
retard.
both sides of the aisle. She was really forced out. Our Secret Service needs new and capable
You're
leadership
looking at-
focused
you're the
on
one that doesn't
protecting
look.
leaders, not protecting their own careers.
With inflation these days, you have to look for new ways to save
Yeah, I
money.
know
I'm Rob
about
West
I
with
know
the
about
Faith and
that.
Finance Minute. Here's an idea.
Damn,
Buy your gas
everybody has
with
a
cash.
problem with
Many
that.
places will give you a cash discount.
Oh,
In some
boy.
locations, maybe 10 cents a gallon. Use an app like Gas Buddy or
Yeah,
Fuelio
that's
to find the
dumb.
lowest prices in
What
your
the hell
area.
about him?
You can also save by using cash for all of your spending outside the house. Studies show you'll save from 10 to 30% at the register when using cash only, because it's harder to part with real dollars than using plastic. And you can sign up for paperless billing with your utilities. Some offer discounts for doing it. Finally, be creative with your own money-saving ideas to beat inflation. Your budget will thank you. Discover the best Christian financial articles, podcasts, and videos by visiting our website, faithfi.com, or by downloading FaithFi, Faith and Finance from your app store. Sponsored by Oakland Ballers Baseball Club, LLC.
It's time for Oakland Ballers Baseball on 8:60 a.m. The Answer. Ballers are playing their inaugural season in the Pioneer League at Ramadi Park in Oakland, and you can catch all 76 games home and away right here. Now, let's get you ready for the action and head down to the field for the pregame show with your hosts, Tyler Peterson.
And a very good evening to you. Welcome to Ramadi Park for the second game of this six-game series against the Northern Colorado Owls. Hi everyone, I'm Tyler Peterson alongside Nevada Collin. It's Ballers Baseball on the radio, and we are all set to go. Ballers in those home creams and green hats warming up on the field. We're just about ready to start, and here's the lineup today for the Northern Colorado Owls coming off a series opening victory.
Henry George, the left fielder, leads off for the Owls, who are led by Frank Gonzalez. Kevin Jimenez, second baseman, hits second. Dave Matthews, center fielder, bats third. Jackson Coops, at first baseman, cleans up. Matthews good both homering yesterday. Kevin Santiago, the DH, bats fifth. Hero Diaz, the right fielder, hits sixth. Reese Georgi, the catcher, bats seventh. Jared Seaver, the shortstop, bats eighth. And Sam Below, the third baseman, hits ninth with Mark Kindle in circle.
A right-hander on the hill today making his Ballers debut is the former Oakland Athletics farmhand TJ Fizz, drafted in the 12th round of the 2022 draft out of San Antonio College in Sacramento. He was a stock support the last 2 years. He takes the mound to face Henry George as we are just about ready to go. This is his first pitch. Here it comes. Strike one at 6:35. Right on time here at Ramadi in West Oakland. From the windup, this is throw. The next pitch is through the legs of Clark. It's 1-1.
Defense behind kids in the debut. That's right. The outfield, Steve Wilmer, another debutant, with Brett Carson center and Drew Woodcock to right.
This is next pitch from the windup is a line drive to center field. Carson's coming in, and he'll have to play it on a hop. Henry George, a leadoff single to begin this ballgame.
Rest of the defense, third to first. Jandre Hubbard, Josh Leslie, Dante Stewart, and Noah Martinez, with Trip Clark making his catching debut for TJ Six.
We can't keep Clark's bat out of the lineup, but this will be our first opportunity to see him behind the plate. He has been in the field once. Clark, the All-American catcher out of Angelo State. Leadoff man is on, and the next pitch on its way to Kevin Jimenez is swung on and fouled away. Owls 6-2 victory in the series opener yesterday. They beat Christian Cosby. The damage off of Cosby came in the first inning. 2 runs off of the bat of Jackson Coops, a home run to left. It was perfect after that, pretty much. The 0-1 pitch, breaking ball in the dirt, blocked by Clark, and George has to go back to first. Jimenez at the plate, batting .341 this year, 3 home runs, 49 driven in. And George at first, as we know, a very speedy runner, 18 of 20 on stolen bases this year. This is the right-hander, works from the third base side of the rubber. He's not fully stretched out, so we may only see him go about 50 or 60 pitches today. George way off, and now the thrower from Sis is going to chase George back, but Henry George was really dancing off, and if Sis had reacted a little bit quicker, he might have been able to pick off George, but he took a tertiary and whatever the 4 is in the quadrinary, maybe? The next pitch is fouled back. A 4th and 5th lead after that as well, then had to scamper back. 1-2 to Jimenez, just underway. No score here from Raimondi Park. It is a big breaking ball in his arsenal. George dancing off first. There he goes. Pitches outside. Clark's throw is not in time. Just can't come off the bag. No. And it's a stolen base.
Yeah, that's the
breaking ball, good one to steal on 73 miles an hour outside and allows George to get second there.
So 2-2 to Jimenez. Sis throws, and it swung on and fouled back. Fastball right at the top of the zone. 6-2 final last night. Runs in the 7th, 8th, and 9th for the Owls have had that lead. Baller's got a couple runs from an error, and then a solo shot by Bradford. A couple of shakeoffs from Sis, and now he comes set. The pitch, breaking ball, is outside. It's 3-2. It's a big spinner. I don't know if it's what you might consider the 12-6, but it's got some real deep movement on it. The next pitch is a high drive to right field. It's shallow. In his Woodcock. He's underneath it. George will take a one-step bluff, and Woodcock will throw it to second, and George will step back on the bag. 1 out here in the first.
That's okay.
That'll bring up Dave Matthews, who homered last night. 13 big flies for the center fielder. And he'll move all around the diamond, Matthews. We'll see him in the outfield. We'll see him at first. But that bat almost always in the lineup. The first pitch from Sis. Fastball right down the heart of the plate for strike 1.
Oh,
He's a big guy behind the plate. He's the biggest catcher the Ballers have at 6'3", 220.
I like that. Sleeveless too. I love those.
Here comes an 0-1. That's swung on and missed. Again, fastball right by Matthews. Both Horner and Lozano are a bit more slender, both 6 feet tall. Horner at 180, Lozano at 185. The difference with Clark is, at least to the eyes, apparent. Now, does that make him a better blocker? You know, there's technique involved. The 0-2, big breaking ball, and that just does not catch, and Sis is going to use a challenge. So let's see. So Sis loses the challenge. Now, I forget if that is used at the lower minor league. If it is, then Sis is all too familiar with it. He's thrown in quite a few games for Stockton this year. 33 appearances out of the bullpen for the Forks. So he is a regular. 36 appearances between Stockton and the rookie level in 23. 1-2. Sis throws, and the fastball is high. He's got some pullback action from the right side. Almost sort of pitches in segments. The kick, the pullback, and then the follow through. The 2-2 breaking ball is outside, 3-2. So some decently long at bats in this inning.
Yes,
3-2 count to Matthews.
I think so.
Full count pitch, high, ball 4, and he loses Matthews way high. And that's going to create a dangerous situation now for Jackson Coop.
That's fun. I can just...
Matthews won 3 times yesterday. That one actually moves him tied to the Pioneer League lead with Noah Martinez with 50 on the year. But yeah, it was yesterday when he walked the first time and led that Jackson Coop 2-run shot in the first inning.
Well, Business has to be very careful now. 2 men on, 1 man out. No score here in the top of the first.
Yeah.
Big kick, and the big pitch is Swan hit to left field. Back is Wilmer. He is at the track. He makes the catch. Well, sent the high fastball to...
Bitch. Oh, yeah. I'll just walk home. Yeah, I don't care. Go ahead. I don't give a damn.